Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to fix the Steamtools error. So this is the error where you get no internet connection to your games on Steam. So it's a very simple fix in this video, and a lot of people has reported that this method has worked. So let's try this. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your start menu, and then you're going to search for PowerShell. Okay, PowerShell right here, and make sure you right click and run it as administrator. Okay, then click on yes here. Okay, so once this opens, I have a whole command here. So you're just going to highlight this, right click and copy, and then here you're going to control V. Okay, and then you're going to press enter. Okay, so what this does, it fully overrides Steam right here. It will download all the necessary tools, and it will close Steam and relaunch Steam, and this window will close on its own. Okay, so once you've run the code, make sure you press enter here and let it run. Okay, once it's run, Steam will open. Okay, you can just close Steam and make sure to restart your system. Okay, so after restarting, open Steam and try to download the game, and hopefully it should fix your issues. So if you still have problems, please put them in the comments below. And yeah, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.